Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Sweet Film app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Sweet Film is a photo and video editing app designed to give your content a retro, dreamy, or cinematic aesthetic. It includes filters inspired by vintage cameras, film grain effects, color grading tools, and light leak overlays. Whether you're editing selfies, short videos, or creative projects, Sweet Film aims to deliver that nostalgic vibe in just a few taps. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app interface is minimal and beginner-friendly, with quick access to filters and presets. Users appreciate how effortlessly they can transform plain images into stylized content, especially for social media. The quality of filters is high, with subtle tones and textures that don't feel overdone. However, it's not without its downsides. Some users mention frequent ads in the free version, and a few features like HD export or premium filters are locked behind a subscription. There are occasional performance lags, especially when editing longer videos or using older devices. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Sweet Film is a great pick for anyone looking to stylize their content with vintage aesthetics. It's easy to use, delivers visually pleasing results, and is especially suited for casual creators or Instagram-focused edits. Just keep in mind the limitations of the free version and potential performance hiccups on low-end phones. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.